Okay, here we would like to introduce you about the working steps of the box dryer. Firstly, we need to feed the material into the box. We will use the trays. Later we will show you the trays. We'll use the tray to carry the material and feed the material into the box, into here. This is the space for the material. After feeding work, we will close the door. We will close the door and lock the door. This is not a finished lock. Later, beside this lock, we have another two lock on the top, on the bottom. After feeding the material into the box, we will come to the control box here. And firstly, we can see here's all the cables. We need to connect the cables firstly. This is the ABCs for the live cables and N for the neutral one. After we connecting, the machine is power on. And then firstly we switch, we have three switches, 1, 2, 3. These three switches controls different fans at different places. Firstly we switch this one. This switch controls the fan at the furnace. When you need to burn the coal, you switch this fan on firstly. Then you feed the coal into the furnace. Here is the feeding opening of the coal. 看一下. We feed the coal from here inside to burn it inside. So after we feed the coal and burn the coal, and we will start the second switch. After we feed in the coal and start burning, we will switch the second switch. This one controls the fan, 4 fans here. This is the 4 fans here. This is the air inlet. We control the fan, so the hot air inside will flows recycling. And then we wait until the temperature reaches the temperature we set. Here's the temperature setter. You can set, here is like 80. You can set to 90, like 100. Here's the meter. You can see the humidity and temperature. When the temperature reaches the set temperature, for example, the 100 degree, then you can switch this one. This one controls the fan on the top of the box dryer, and it's to the fan is to remove the moisture air inside out. And this is the working steps of the coal heat source. If you want to use electric heating, it's the same step. We just that's a different button. This button is not for controlling the fan. This button is for controlling the electric heater inside. So firstly, still we start the heater, and then we don't need to feed the coal because it's electric heating. And then we just switch on the blower, so the air inside will do the recycling. And after the temperature reaches the set temperature, we will switch the third switch to remove the moisture out from the box. And that's all.